Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about nature, features, importance and the challenges of Indian agriculture. Nature of Indian agriculture, many type of crops because India has different type of weathers and soils in different places. That's the reason we can grow almost anything. We can grow from basic food to cash crops. So for example, we can grow rice, wheat, spices, fruit, coffee. Monsoon dependence. About half of Indians' farmland depend on rain. We cannot control rain. Rain is unpredictable. Bad monsoon means bad harvest. That's the reason Indian agriculture known as gamble with the monsoon. Next natures are in Indian agriculture, about 85% farmers are small and marginal. That means they have very small piece of land. In small piece of land, it is very difficult to use big machinery, modern technology. That's why they are not able to earn best profit. Indian agriculture is mix of subsistence and commercial farming. Subsistence farming means many of farmers are still growing crops in order to feed their family only. On the other hand, commercial farming means nowadays more and more farmers are growing crops in order to sell in market and earn profit. Farming includes animals. That means Indian farmers not only grow crops but also keep animals. This is important. Suppose in one year crops fail due to bad monsoon. During this time period, farmers can survive by using income from animals. Importance of Indian agriculture. Main job provider. Agriculture is biggest employer of country. About 40 to 45% of workers depend on farming. Boost the economy. Even though other sector also growing like servicing, technology, manufacturing, still agriculture sector contribute 17 to 19 percentage of India's total GDP. Ensure food security. Our farmers produce enough food for everyone. That's the reason government can easily run their food programs for poor and prevent hunger. Helps other industries. Factories need raw material from farms. For example, textile industry need cotton, sugar mills need sugar cane. So without farms, these industry cannot grow. So we can say that agriculture sector help other sector to grow. Increase export. India sells rice, tea, coffee and spices to other countries which bring foreign exchange in our country means money from other country will come in our country due to export. Eventually it help to grow. Deep cultural roots. Farming is part of our traditions. Many of biggest festivals like Pongal, Baisakhi and Makar Sankranti are celebrated for harvest and farming season. Now we will see 2026 updated feature of Indian agriculture. Now farmer are using a smart farming. That means nowadays farmer are using new technology AI. For example, Bharat Vistar platform. Through this platform, they are getting personal advice on how to grow their crops, better market access. Through Enam system, over 1650 mandis are connected. Through this system, farmers can get a better price for their crops and remove unnecessary middlemen. Focus on high value crops. There is big push towards horticulture. That means growing fruit, vegetables, nuts, coca and cashew. And these now roughly make 37% of total agriculture output value. Easier credit. Through Kisan Credit Card Scheme, farmers can get loans at lower interest rate rather than taking loans from a private lender at higher interest rate. Record budget support. In 2026 to 27 union budget, government allocated over 1.32 lakh crore to agricultural ministry with total support including subsidies exceeding 3 lakh crore, and they mainly focus on research, irrigation and storage. Key challenges of Indian agriculture. Unpredictable weather. Farming depend on rain, but rain is very unpredictable. Bad monsoon means bad harvest. Water crisis. We are going out of ground water. Tiny farmers. Farmers have very small piece of land. In small piece of land, it is very difficult to use modern technology, biggest machineries. Nowadays, the cost of input is increasing. For example, cost of seeds, cost of fertilizer is increasing, but they are not able to get a fair price, means they are not able to increase their profit. Lack of storage, that's why there is so much wastage. Middleman reduce profit of farmers. Farmers are using old technology, old method. Eventually, it will reduce their profit. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.